multiplication of polynomials. We have the first case, which is called the distributive property. So, are going to multiply the distributive property. Usually, tinatawag po natin siyang case number 1 sa ating pong multiplication of polynomials. So, yung ating distributive property from the word distribute, you need to multiply negative 2 each term inside the parenthesis po. Sabihin, negative 2 multiplied to positive 6, we have negative 12. Any number that are like sign, when we multiply, always the result is always negative sign. And while a squared multiply to a, so we have imaginary 1 here, so you need to add the exponent. So a, 2 plus imaginary 1 or 1, we have 3 or cube. And then b, same as with b times b po, we have b squared. And then c times c, we have c squared. Now, let's go to the second term, which is po negative 2 times negative 22. We have negative 2 times negative 20 will become negative times negative ay magiging positive. So, which is po magiging plus na siya. And we have 2 times 20, we have 40. Now, let's go for the variable. We have the a squared times a squared po, and then we just simply add the exponent. A po, 2 plus 2, we have 4. And then same with letter b and times b squared will become b cubed. And then another one, we have same with this letter c times c squared, we have become c cubed. So this one is our final answer in distributive property.